He's doing good. He's doing good.
Right, he's gonna come up that way.
Jason's gonna go up the long way.
That way or this way?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Uh-oh. Too far over. Lay her down if you have to.
Jason getting stuck. Woohoo!
Right here that time. It's good. You got it first? Huh? Did you do that when it burned? No, I got out of it for some reason. I made the first time. Hey, look at your little finger out.
Did you pick up Maddie?
Just a little.
Come on, Daddy.
He's gonna do it.
What?
He did that yesterday.
Sideways.
What if I can do that?
You're not gonna try.
I can.
No.
Not from that pistol either.
Try right there on that little hill.
Try coming up here, Brian.
Trying and completing are two different things.
Yeah.
Get up here, Josie. You'll slide right down there. See?
Josie?
Now you stay behind that tree. Here comes Kyle.
Going on his side, back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think Jason's gonna try it.
Don't try that, Jason.